In this video, I will show how to solve a system of linear equations by substitution. And to solve, we have to first pick an equation and isolate one variable in that equation. I'm going to pick equation 1 and isolate x. And what do we have? We start with x minus 4y equals 9. I add 4y to both sides to get 9 plus 4y. Now we take this expression that we obtained by isolating x, and we're going to replace x in equation 2 with this expression. So instead of x, I'm just going to write 9 plus 4y, and I'll copy the rest. As a result, we have now equation in one variable, which we can solve by simply isolating the variable. So let's distribute everything, and let's subtract 27 from both sides, while we're adding 12y and y on the left. So we have 13y equals negative 26. So y is equal to negative 2. And now to find x, I'm going to use this equation that I obtained earlier, and I'm going to just plug in y equals negative 2 in that formula. So we have 9 plus 4 times negative 2, x equals 1. So the solution is x equals 1, y equals negative 2, and we write it as an ordered pair. Now, alternatively, we could have solved this differently. We could, for example, in equation 2, isolate y. So how does that look? We would subtract 3x from both sides. Then we would take the expression obtained on the right side of this equation, and we would replace it into the first equation for y. So we would have x minus 4 times 1 minus 3x equals 9. As a result, we have equation in one variable, which again we solve by simply isolating the variable, right? So let me just make some room here. That didn't work. So let me just continue then. So we have x minus 4 plus 12x equals 9. So if we add 4 to both sides, so we have 13x equals 13, and x equals 1. And now we can take this 1 and we can plug in into this equation. So y equals 1 minus 3 times 1, which is negative 2. And the answer is 1, negative 2. So no matter how you solve the system of equations, the answer will always be the same.